that I'm a working professional. I've been working as a QA for more than a year now.
Yeah.
And I'm looking to break into analyst roles now. That's going in my mind. And how would you suggest that I tackle it? Will I be considered as a fresher, or how do I explain relevant experience for analyst roles?
So see, I have most of the students who are also from non-tech background, even if you see they have not done any engineering, etc., and still they are doing a great job nowadays in tech field. So see, this IT industry, if we say this coding varna, so everyone can come who is QA, who is from even non-tech background, even CA or something else. So even if you are not from non-tech background, you can definitely come here. So the roadmap is also for same for here. Just start learning the basic concept. Okay, join the see how other people are learning. Because in this course now we will be going from very scratch and we will assume you don't know anything. Even if you are an expert, we will going it from the very scratch. And even if you are expert, you will get few extra things that you may not have learned everywhere. How to code with AI, how to use Copilot into your day-to-day life, how to debug the code, how to think optimally, means how to write optimized code. Because then also your little bit DSL algorithm part will also become stronger. How to think, how to observe, how to write good quality codes. Because see, code everyone can write, but good quality code few people can write. So yes, just start learning language. Start with any language. Python, I guess it will be a very good. And even many QA also use Pythons for testing purposes. Not every application, but some applications in QA, because there are some tools available using Python.
Yes, for automation.
Yeah, automation, and you can use it. Even if you are going in this DevOps role, there also this Python is very important.
No, so I do have basic knowledge. I do know, I would say, basic to intermediate level of SQL. I'm from a tech background. I have a CS degree, so I do know a bit of coding and Python as well. So what would you suggest? What making projects would help me break out into the
A mix of both, not only one thing, but projects plus doing good. Of course, having skill is first of all, and then you also need something to put into your resume. That is also you need. Then you need to prepare for the interviews and just crack the interviews, I guess.
Yeah, you're right. I mean, what should I put on my resume so that I get a call? Obviously, studying.
It's about the same. It's about how much you are just giving hard work, doing hard work, giving time to it. That much you will polish your skill.
Sure. All right. Thank you, sir.